Welcome back everybody. VeChain is on an amazing buying opportunity. In this video we're going to have a look on VetBTC and VetUSDT. Starting with the VetBTC chart, you can see the longer time frame, guys. Look at the longer time frame. You look at the market cycle here of VeChain. This is 2019, okay, the beginning of 2019. This is August 18, all right? So you can see we had here this huge double bottom here, okay? This was our neckline of the double bottom. And once we broke the double bottom, it went nightmare, okay? It went nightmare in like 11 days or 18 days. It went 150% on the Bitcoin chart, okay? It's not on the dollar, it's on the Bitcoin. That's VeChain is strong dog, but we had some rejection since obviously Ethereum went on a downtrend and took with it all altcoins. Now, you can see VeChain is in this falling wedge here. Okay, it looks like a falling wedge here. Big falling wedge here, or a channel, or a bear channel on the Bitcoin chart. Once we're gonna break out of this channel, it's gonna go very strong. It's looking very, very bullish in my opinion. This is a very good opportunity to scoop some VeChain. Even if it's gonna go another 10% or 20% on the Bitcoin chart, still, when we're talking about accumulation or when we're talking about investing, this is the time you wanna invest in VeChain because it already had its blow off top. It came back to this accumulation range, and right now it's probably gonna head back up. And the next big swing on VeChain, guys, price prediction, if you want some price prediction for VeChain, the next big swing, okay, if you take the fib extension tool, should take us all the way to 278 satoshis in the minimum target, okay, the small target. And the very bullish target will take us all the way to 397. We're talking about in the next 6 months, okay? Approximately, roughly speaking. All right, so let's have a look on the VetUSD chart before we buy in any VeChain. First of all, guys, look on the daily. Look on the daily here. Daily time frame. You can see we had this blow off top. That's a cool off phase, okay? And we can see we found the bottom here. Looks like we found the bottom here in this level, these regions. We found the bottom. It also falls in line with that top. When before we broke out, that was our resistance. Now it flipped resistance to support. This is very bullish behavior from VeChain. And same here on the dollar. It also had this big accumulation range, and we're now at the top of the accumulation range. It's bouncing from it. And another important thing happening in VeChain, guys. By the way, all the market is bullish now, but you can see VeChain. Look at VeChain. It just broke out of this falling wedge. That's a big falling wedge. We broke out of it, okay? We still don't have a breakout on the volume, but we broke out of it. Price action broke out and came back to retest this breakout, this falling resistance. Look on the 4 hour. Let's zoom in here. Okay, you can see we're coming back, retest this wedge, and now we're breaking out of it. Anyway, I scooped some VeChain right now. I don't mind. You can actually wait for the close of this 4 hour candle or for a close above this level around 118 or 119, whatever you want. But anyway, you can see we already made a new high above that high here on the 4 hour time frame. Obviously, we didn't close this candle, so it could be a fake out, but still looking good. And we're making higher lows here. Anyway, to sum it all up, guys, VeChain looking amazing. Okay, I'm gonna take profits here. Obviously, I'm gonna take some profits along the way and buy the pullbacks. That's my style. That's where I'm gonna take some profit in these levels, me and my trading group. By the way, if you're new to crypto and you don't know how to trade, you don't know how to use TA, technical analysis, first of all, this is the most important thing to do when investing. Because technical analysis will tell you the timing, when you wanna buy. You don't wanna buy here, you don't wanna buy here, okay? You don't wanna buy here and lose, let's say you invested $1,000 and have 50% of your $1,000 get evaporated completely. You want to buy here. You want to buy in the good timing. You want to scale in the dips, in the lower regions of this price action, and you want to buy in the market cycle when the coin flip resistance to support on the larger time frame. Anyway, guys, if you like to learn, check out the link in the description. I have my trading group. We are nailing it right now. Lots of trades on the table, but guys, this is not an all-in trade, okay? You don't want to be all-in. You want to know how to trade. You need to scale in incrementally, 5% here, 5% here. Never go all in. Never go all in. Always save some money for a doomsday scenario, because that's the best opportunities for traders and investors. Anyway, check out my trading group. I see you in the next one. Cheers.